everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and in this video right here I'm going to be telling you the bags that I have that I will never sell. Okay, so of course never is a very long time, especially when it comes down to bags. But I mean, the bags that I'm going to mention in this video are bags that I absolutely love, and I just cannot see them outside of my collection, or if something happened to my collection I would repurchase these bags. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get straight into that. But before we do, if you do like these types of videos, then make sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that like button and also leave a comment on this video. Okay, so the bags I'm going to mention today are going to be from Louis Vuitton and Gucci, which is pretty much most of my collection. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, one of the first bags that I can honestly say that I would never sell, and I really truly know that I would never sell this bag, that is going to be my Neverfull MM. Okay, this is my most used bag. I use it literally every day for errand running, and I just think that this bag is perfect. I absolutely love it. I'm not really big with carrying a lot of bags in my hands and up the stairs and stuff like that, and this bag right here really does help me with that. I literally throw everything in here. There's stuff in here now, everything that I need for my morning walk and all of that type of stuff. So I cannot see myself without this bag. I cannot see this bag outside of my collection. This bag right here is low key. You can throw it around a little bit and not have to worry about it. You can throw everything in it, and I just love it. I would never sell this bag ever. And if something happened to this bag, I would buy it again. Okay, next up we have my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25, which is a new purchase that I've just made. I've only had this bag probably about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, and I would never sell this particular print in this particular size right here. Okay, so the reason why I say that is because I've had it in 2 other prints and 1 other size. This is my 4th time having this bag, and I still ended up getting it again, which means that I do like the bag. I just had to find the perfect combination for me. This Speedy 25 Damier Ebene to me is the perfect combination. It's so small and it's so cute and little, and it still can fit quite a few items. So this is going to be a forever bag in my collection in this particular print, in this particular size. I just think that it's absolutely perfect, and you can't go wrong with the Speedy 25. I found the Speedy 35 that I had was too big for me for what I was trying to use it for, but I think for an everyday bag or a cute little bag to wear out on a date or to go to the movies or something like that, I think this bag is absolutely perfect for that, and for that reason I would never sell it. Next up we have my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessoire, and this bag right here I would never sell. Now I don't use this bag a whole lot right now, but I do tend to use this bag a lot in the winter time, in the fall. One thing about this bag is I don't use the gold chain. As you see, the gold chain is not attached, and I don't really use my coin pouch either. And I thought about selling my coin pouch because the only thing I do with it is keep my headphones in it, but I just can't seem to get rid of it because I just like having all of the pieces of the multi-pochette accessoire. This bag is so versatile. I mean, you can do so much with it. I mean, you can use the little small pochette as an SLG in your other bags. You can also use the big pochette as an SLG in another one of your bags. You can take the strap off and put it on another bag. I mean, I have the Neo No Way there that I can use it on. I mean, you can put it on other bags. I mean, you can wear this by itself. You can wear this by itself. You can wear it with the coin pouch. You can wear this big pochette with the gold chain as a bag for date night. I mean, there's just so much that you can do with this bag that there's just no way that I would sell it at all. It's still in great condition. I do have some water stains here where I dripped some water from my cup on this pochette right here, but other than that it's still in excellent condition. Just a gorgeous bag. It's just so different, and it has such a great look, and it's so functional that I would not see myself doing without it. May end up selling my coin pouch at some point, but right now I just can't do away with it. But yes, to me this is a forever bag in my collection, and it's not going anywhere. Okay, next up, it should not be any surprise to anyone who has been subscribed to my channel for a while, but I don't ever see myself ever, I'm talking about ever, getting rid of my Louis Vuitton on the go size. This bag right here is making a statement, okay? This bag right here did not come to play with y'all at all. Like, this bag is absolutely gorgeous. You're getting like 2 to 3 bags in one. You got this side right here. You got the reverse monogram side. Then you turn around and you have the straps so where you can wear it as a shoulder bag. So that's like 3 bags right there, all in one. I mean, it's just a beautiful bag. It's a structured bag, which I really love a structured bag. I use this bag all the time. As you see, I have several things in there. But I mean, it's just a gorgeous bag, and it's just a bag that you don't see everywhere. You don't see all the time. I absolutely love it. The detail on it is perfect. I mean, it's just a gorgeous bag, man. I can't wait until the fall where I'm really going to be wearing this bag a lot. But I've already really been wearing it a lot. But you guys already know. If you don't know, I bought this bag, returned this bag, bought this bag again, and I'm never letting it go. It's just so gorgeous. Like, it's just so gorgeous. This is a forever bag, if not the #1 bag in my collection, the bag that I absolutely love. This is it right here. Definitely never going anywhere. I absolutely love this bag. So that's it for my Louis Vuitton pieces. So now we're going to go ahead and get into my Gucci pieces. And I do have 3 Gucci bags. But to be honest, if I had to choose out of all of my Gucci bags, the only Gucci bag that I would never sell would be this one right here, okay? So the Gucci Mini Marmont, and it's in the vertical style with the silver hardware. I absolutely love this bag. This is the first piece of color that I've had in my collection. And this bag right here, the leather on it is just so soft and squishy. The hardware is gorgeous. You have the pockets on the inside, so no need to carry a card holder. You can fit your phone, you can fit your cards, you can fit your keys, you can fit some sunglasses, you can fit a lip gloss. I mean, absolutely love this one, man. Love it. I would never sell this ever, ever, ever. I think that it's so gorgeous and it's so cute, and it was a great way for me to add a pop of color to my collection without paying a whole bunch of money. So that worked out great. But I absolutely love this little bag right here. And you guys know that I did just buy the black one, and I like that one too. But you know, this one right here, I just have a whole nother level of love for this one right here. Okay, so that's pretty much it, you guys. So everything else that I have in my collection, I love also. But depending on what I get in the future, I'm not sure if I would still keep those items, okay? But I still love everything that I have in my collection. So I will link all the bags in the description bar if they are available for purchase. You guys know if you have any questions or if you have any comments, you can leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.